Get excited about the 2011 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 10,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Chrysler prioritized comfort and style by including power front seats, a trip computer, front fog lights, reverse sensing system, and leather upholstery. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.